Hello everybody, welcome to Pamela's Creations. I'm Pam. I'm here today to show you part 2 of my Beebeecraft project share / tutorial. And if you're not familiar with Beebeecraft, they have a YouTube program where you have 100 YouTube subscribers or more. You can apply for their stuff, and then they let you know, and then they send it to you. And I believe it's $40 and under. I will link that down below so you can find it and you can go check it out for yourself. They sent me quite a bit of stuff. I loved playing with it. It was a lot of fun. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you what I made on the second half of this video. And it was for these tags. So there was a total of 6 tags right here. I'll put them right here. There you go, 6 tags. And they were fun to work with. I really enjoyed working with these. And I'm going to show you what else I made. I had a lot of fun with these. Little parts in there. So what I made was this one here with the bell. I'll get this out of the way. And it's just cardstock cut in the back. It's just shaped out to fit it. So I have it closed on one side. So that is this one here. If you guys can see that, I'll pull it down. All right, so my next one, I just added beads on this. It's the tree, the reindeer, and I added a charm with some ribbon on that. I just used my beads. And that's the Christmas tree. All right, and then my snowflake there, and the snowman, which is perfect. Okay. And there's that. And then my heart. Okay. And then my other heart. Isn't that cute? And then my star. Love this paper, and I also cannot remember what I used. I can't remember what paper, but all of it was on sparkly white background, kind of like my nails, you know, type of thing. So there's that. So I made all 6. So there's all that. So what I'm going to do is just demonstrate how I put this together. Now this one's a little different because I am going to put one of my charms inside this here. So it's going to be underneath like that. So what I did is I just put some acetate on here and just kind of glued it on the back, a little square. And then I had some, we call that foam. If you get it at Walmart, you can use that. So I didn't have to find a lot of foam to, you know, sticky foam to put on that. And I just cut a back of my, I just traced it out and cut it out there. So these actually come off like this, and then I add a little bit of glue on there so it doesn't come off, my art glitter glue. So we're going to add some here Just kind of go over it a little bit. Just to add a little protection there. Okay. And then we're going to carefully place it on here. I don't get glue everywhere first. Okay. And that way you can somewhat move it around. Make sure it's even. Stick the piece in here. Let me pull in there so it's drying just a little bit. And we're going to stick that right there. And I'm not going to tear the back off or anything like that. And then we're going to stick another piece. And I'm going to stick a little more glue, not so much, it's kind of light. Kind of, you know, like that. And we're going to line it up carefully. And I just measured it, the back, with my punch and just made a punch here. And I'm going to leave this glitter part on the back. Just kind of go over it. Okay, and then we're going to try and evenly put that right there. I cut those out. This was a little bit bigger paper I used, so that's fine the way it sticks out like that. That is totally fine. Yeah, I'm good with that. So that's what it looks like. Isn't that cute? And so just being a little stubborn here. Kind of showing a little more. Okay, so there's that. Okay, and then cut some ribbon. And put it in a little hole there. Okay, get it to the hole. Just kind of run it through like that. Isn't that cute? And I made a little, this is a flower I got from the Beebeecraft. Got a package of them, acrylic bead types. And then I got this bead from Beebeecraft. And then this candy cane was in my stash, and this little bulb thing was in my stash. So what I was going to do was just add it on here. And just connect it like that. Isn't that cute? A little candy cane. Oops, and then it comes off. That's okay, easy fix. All right, there we go. Isn't that cute? And then I did have, where'd it go? Oh, I was just gonna add a little foamy thing to it. Well, it's a chipboard. Just put it on the corner. And there you go. What do you all think? It's a great gift to give to put on a present, and then can keep the bead and the charm if they want. I thought that was so cute. Yeah, so there you go. These were easy to make. I absolutely love it. So there is my projects for my tags that I made. And the bells. Yeah, tell me what you guys think. All right, guys, that is my Beebeecraft project share for y'all to see. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. And hit the notification bell to all. Then I'm also on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Please leave a comment. Please check out Beebeecraft if you want to participate in their YouTube program. I will link that down below. Also, I will put my Beebeecraft unboxing on here as well, on the top of the screen somewhere. And you can check that out as well. All right, everyone. Enjoy, stay safe, and have a blessed night. Thank you.